Today we're gonna go check out some really badass waterfalls. But before we get there, let's make some random stops, such as this 360 swing, or this less impressive waterfall, and a cable car to check it out up close and personal, or the rock that looks like Jesus. Soon after though, we finally hit the main attraction.
So we are currently on the walk to El Pailon del Diablo, which is supposed to be this amazing waterfall. So let's see how it's gonna be. Welcome to the Puente Colgante, or the hanging bridge. Oh my god, we're gonna cross this next. Here we go. Oh my god, this is great. This beautiful waterfall next to us. And there's a little valley over there.
But be careful, don't fall in. Wow! So we're gonna go under this waterfall, and then we're gonna go up and down these steps, Emma and I. And we're probably gonna get soaked, so let's see how well we get, right? Here we go. El Pailon del Diablo was definitely one of the most amazing waterfalls I ever seen. Tune in until the next adventure.